Hello Drone Racers, I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101 we're going to give away some of these. Not these specifically, I have a brand new box over there and the name has been chosen. But first we have some housekeeping to do. Sorry! Okay, I'm going to take those off so I can actually read the screen. In hindsight, I should have hooked up the HDMI and actually done the whole video reading the screen off of that, but I'm not going to do that. I need to get this recorded and go. First, we have some new patrons for June, and love the new patrons, so I'm going to go through the people that we've got here. Yay names. First, at the beginning of the month, we have Richard Kipax. Richard Kipax. Michael Murgatroyd. Sounds like a Atari game. Fleming. Ian Fleming. So last month we had two giveaways going, one for the subscribers, one for the patrons. So first up for the regular subscribers, we had an Ishin E58. And the winner of that is Curtis Campbell, who's a patron, who's been a long-time patron. And I actually still have a box to ship him, so I'm going to put these together. Next up, the Patreon exclusive giveaway. It's the Relay CC Reel 5, which was a really nice flyer, but just as a weird frame, and I'm worried it's going to break, and then you'd have to move the guts to something else, which isn't that big of a deal, but hey, it's free. It does look cool, too. I mean, you saw that review, right? Anyway, we only had 8 people enter for this one, so your odds are really good if you want to become a patron. And the winner this month is a first month patron, and it's Bobby Philly. Yeah, Bobby, you won. I know Bobby's going to be super excited about this one, so it'll be very cool. I was happy to see his name come up. Bobby lives in Slovenia, so I have no idea how much it's going to cost me to ship this thing there. Oh boy. Okay, no more stalling. The reason most of you are actually watching this video is to see who won the Aomway Commanders. These are new, it's sealed, I've never opened these, so I hope they work. I know a lot of people shared this giveaway, and I really appreciate that. It helped us get a nice big surge. We did also get to 11,000 subscribers. Yay! So as I mentioned, I'm going to throw in a tiny whoop. This is the Beta FPV, which one is this? The Beta 65S. It was a really nice little drone. It's available on Amazon. I decided to include this one because I know it works, and I've got a pile of tiny whoops over there, but I have no idea what kind of condition they're all in. So the winner of the Aomway Commanders, brand new in the box, version 1, is John Duke. Now, I actually already emailed John because I had to see how to pronounce his last name. I wanted to get this right, and I think that's right. John answered the question correctly. It is 5.8 gigahertz. That's all it was. I just wanted to filter through. There were people who had no idea what I was talking about, and those people aren't ready for these goggles. They need something like what I'm giving away this month. This month, I'm giving away a full ready-to-fly FPV system. This is the Ishin EX2 and a pair of goggles, and it comes with the radio. Everything you need comes in this kit. It's like 130 bucks. I've recorded the review. I haven't posted it yet. It's okay. I mean, for somebody who doesn't fly, doesn't have a Tyrannus and a 5-inch drone, it'd be pretty exciting. It will do acro mode, but you really only want to fly it in angle mode. The camera's not good. The camera's the big down point, and you'll see that in the review. I'll post that in a couple days. But for somebody getting started, this kit is all ready to go, comes with everything you need, and you can fly. And it flew 150 meters, and I was good to go. With better goggles, I got 200 meters, so I guess maybe I don't need to post that review now. There's everything you need to know about it. So there's a link down in the description, so don't just post a comment and say, enter me to win. You have to follow the link down in the comments to enter. That will take you to Gleam where you can sign up, and there's some things to make sure you see the Facebook page and the Instagram page and all that kind of stuff. And I know some of you hate that, but now that we've hit 10,000 subscribers, the next goal is 100,000, right? Put a silver play button right there. My office isn't done yet. I'm still waiting on my desk. This is all going to change. It's going to be totally awesome when I'm done. Last up for my patrons this month, I'm going to give away the Jumper, which one was this? The X68S. This is the FrSky Brushless Tiny Whoop version. Oh, I'm missing a prop. I'll have to include some props. This actually was really nice. It flew really well for me until the battery runs low. And once the battery runs low, it just kind of tumbles out of the sky. But it was a good flyer, and I really liked it. I know some other people had problems with theirs, but this specific model worked really well. So I'm going to include that because it's not one I'm likely to use, but I want somebody to be able to use it. So that's going to a patron. I will post that in a post in Patreon. All you have to do is comment on that, and I go through and pick a random name out of that, and we'll go from there. So if you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below. And what do you think of the idea of starting another end-of-year giveaway in August? Like a really big one with some ridiculously big prizes. It didn't really work last year. So I'm not sure if it's worth it. I'm thinking maybe 2 paths. One with a racing drone path that would include a drone and a radio that would keep getting better and goggles and everything you need at RTF kit there. And then another option for a camera drone that we would give away. Probably starting at a Bugs and working our way up to a Mavic. How many subscribers is a Mavic worth? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm just rambling here. So coming soon to DroneRacer 101, a long-range wing to really test this R9 system I keep messing around with.